I am Aligar Lingappa, Assistant Professor, Government Postgate College, Sirguppa. So today's my chapter is atomic models. So my concept or topic is Summerfield relativistic model. As we know that for the study of atomic structure, we have many models. Say a J.J. Thomson model, Rutherford's model, a Bohr's model, Summerfield model. So this is the fourth model for the study of the structure of atom. So Summerfield, a relativistic model, as professor of theoretical physics at Munich 1906 to 1931. He did his most important work. His investigations of atomic spectra lead him to suggest that in the Bohr's model of the atom, the electrons move in elliptical orbits as well as circular ones. From this idea, he postulated the azimuthal quantum number. So, Summerfield, he assumed that what about the electrons which are revolving around the nucleus? They revolve in the elliptical orbits. So, electrons move in elliptical orbits as well as circular ones. So, according to him, only the first orbit is circular orbit. All other orbits, they are elliptical orbits. And also introduced a new quantum number, so-called azimuthal quantum number. Just to see the diagram, what about the nature of the elliptical orbits? Just to see. So Bohr's model, when compared to Bohr's model, Bohr is said where the electrons which are revolving in the circular orbit. But a Summerfield model which states that where the electron which is revolving in an elliptical orbit. The left diagram that indicates Bohr's model, the right diagram that indicates Summerfield model. Summerfield atomic model. This model explains the fine structure of hydrogen atom. The important postulates of a Summerfield atomic model are: he assumed that the orbits may be both circular or elliptical orbits. When a path is elliptical, then there are two axes. One is major axis and one is minor axis. When length of major and minor axis becomes equal, then orbit becomes circular. The angular momentum of electron moving in an elliptical orbit is kh by 2 pi or nh by 2 pi. K is an integer except 0. Value of k is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. N or k, n by k, length of major axis by length of minor axis. With increase in the value of k, ellipticity of the orbit goes on decreases. When n is equal to k, then orbit is circular. Just to see the concept, so-called postulates made by the Summerfield in his model. So fourth one, Summerfield suggested that orbits are made up of a sub-energy levels. These are S level, S, P, D, F. These subshells passes slightly at different energies. Bohr gave a quantum number n which determines the energy of electron. Summerfield introduced a new quantum number called orbital or azimuthal quantum number L, which determines the orbital angular momentum of electron. Values of L, azimuthal quantum number, which can take from 0 to n minus 1. For a given value of n, L can take the value from 0 to n minus 1. For n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0. If n is equal to 2, L is equal to 0, 1. So that means 2s, 2p, they are the indicates the substance. N is equal to 3, L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3s, 3p, 3d, substance. Like that, where the azimuthal quantum number L, which can takes the value from 0 to n minus 1 for a given value of n. When an electron jumps from one orbit to another orbit, the difference of energy depends upon the sub-energy levels also. Just to see that. It explains the splitting up of individual spectral lines of hydrogen and thus a fine spectrum. It could not predict the exact number of lines which are actually present in the fine spectrum. Fine spectrum. So what about the fine structure of hydrogen atom? What about the H alpha, H beta, H gamma, we have obtained in case of Balmer series according to Bohr's atomic model? According to Bohr's atomic model, H alpha line, H beta line, H gamma, H delta, they are single in state. When they are subjected to high resolving microscope, where H alpha, H beta, H gamma, H delta, they are not in single state, they contains a group of lines. H alpha line is not a single in state, which consists of the number of substates. H beta, so is not in single state, which consists of number of states. H gamma is not single in state, which consists of number of substates. Similarly, H delta, according to Summerfield. So he is known as a fine structure of hydrogen atom, so-called fine spectrum. The fine spectrum could not explained by the Bohr's, that means Bohr's model. But Summerfield was successful to explain a fine spectrum. Why? The H alpha line, which consists of the number of substates, like that. Then defects of Summerfield atomic model. This model does not explain the behavior of system having more than one electron. This model does not explain the Zeeman effect and Stark effect. What is Zeeman effect? The process of splitting up of spectral lines in the presence of magnetic field is known as Zeeman effect. The phenomenon of splitting up of spectral lines in the presence of electric field is known as a Stark effect. So the Summerfield model does not explain the Zeeman effect and also Stark effect. Thank you.